Good morning, everyone. Today we are giving a role play about market survey. And my name is Vidhan Shende, and my teammates are Durgesh and Pankaj. It is a role play given by us, Jetking Institute, and my role is a shopkeeper, and these two are playing the role of customer.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine. How may I help you? Welcome to Vidhan Electronics.
Hello, sir. Sir, I was looking for a assembled PC. I have to build a assembled PC for my gaming and video editing purpose.
Okay.
So, could you suggest me the configuration?
Yeah, sure. But what will be your budget?
Sir, around 60 to 70K.
Okay. Let me check my stocks.
Yeah, for
In
sure.
that we have a different types of assembled PC. In that, which processor do you like?
Sir, i5 to i7.
i5 to i7. It is a good requirement for that. In we also have a budget assembled PC for you. It is around 50,000. In that, we will provide a i5 processor and Asus gaming motherboard, eSport CPU fans, air cabin, and 22-inch monitor of MSI and wireless keyboard and mouse. It is it your liking?
Okay, sir, but how much GB of RAM I should install in my assembled PC so that the PC will not lag?
Well, if you are doing a professional gaming and editing work, it should be 8 GB to 16 GB. But if you are doing a low budget gaming, it could be gone in a 4 GB SSDs. So I will recommend you 8 GB RAM, DDR4.
But sir, my Windows 11, it's only consuming 4 GB of RAM. So will 8 GB okay? Or I have to increase it to 16 GB?
Well, that is depend on you. It could be 16. It is good in 16. It will give a smooth configuration and as well as performance. And in that we can also give you a i7 processor. It will cost you around 30 to 40,000 depending on its version and extra etc things. Are you only looking for a PC or you also looking for accessories with it?
Sir, no, sir, currently I want to only assemble the PC. I'm
Okay.
not looking for the external accessories.
Okay. After if you're taking a WhatsApp number, I will give you all the possible documentaries and which processor I will provide you. Well, the round of the budget will be 50 to 55,000 for the assembled PC. And if you want a upgrades configuration, you can tell me. Thank you.
Sir, is there any offer in this?
Yeah, sure. In this, we have different types of offer for the from the company side. It will depend on how much the company will give the margin to us, and also give a margin to us, and also we will give a 10 to 15% discount on every component.
Okay, sir, thank you. I will let you know.
Okay, thank you.
Sir.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good morning. I am fine. How may I help you?
Sir, I want to purchase a PC for my office work or college.
Okay,
purpose.
so you are don't have a gaming and
No,
editing.
I don't want gaming.
Okay.
I only simple.
Only for office work.
Yes, yes.
So I will suggest you a branded PC because branded PC gives a good control and configuration,
Okay.
and it is also have a warranty period, extended warranty period, and it will provide you a nice support.
But branded PC cost higher, no?
Well, it will cost you extra, but the warranty and extended period of the configuration and smooth controlling will be provided compared to the assembled PC. If you buy a assembled PC, it has a different warranty. Every component has a different warranty.
Definitely.
Because of that, if any component get damaged, it will not provide you that support which will be provided by the branded PC.
What will be the cost of this?
Well, if at what company are you seeing?
I am seeing an Asus.
Asus.
Yeah.
Well, Asus is a good brand. In that we have a in that we will provide you i5 13 generation and wireless keyboard and mouse, uh, 512 SSD and 8 GB RAM and 22-inch monitor and a company warranty service. Well, the budget will be much more higher, little bit higher than the assembled PC,
Okay.
but it will be a good for you. The budget will be around 61 to 65,000. Is it in your budget?
Yeah, but sir, I am your regular customer, so we will do
Sure.
Yeah.
However, we'll compromise our margins
Yeah.
and give you a heavy discount for that.
Okay.
Whatever will be the market price, we will give you on that.
Okay, thank you, sir. I like the computer specification. And please tell me, sir, the service.
So service, it will be provided you by the company. It has its own website and numbers for that.
Okay.
And if anything happens, you can contact me any day. And If you have any accessories requirement, you can tell me
Yeah,
also.
definitely. In further, I like to
Or
purchase
we
some
have different
accessories.
types of accessories:
Mhm.
printer, scanner, external accessories. If you want to upgrade your PC, we are there
Yeah,
for you, and we can
definitely.
contact the company.
Yeah,
Thank
okay.
you.
Yeah, thank you. I like the computer.
Yeah. The conclusion of our role play in the market survey is there are two different types of PCs: assembled PC and a branded PC. Assembled PC gives a more customization, configuration, and a high-end devices for gaming, editing, and extra stuff. Well as in the branded PC, it will more focus on the balanced output and also the configuration. In that, it will give a large, good lifespan, and if any component is with damaged, it will be provided by the company and support. Thank you.